This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by the Ocean City Art League.
CoastLife, the Art League of Ocean City, is just one of those places where creativity is always flowing. And I have gift shop coordinator Frankie Zerla with me here right now. Frankie, how you doing today?
Good. How are you? Glad you're here.
Yes, I'm glad to be here, and I'm literally feeling inspired. Every time I walk through here, I'm just hit with like an instant wave of creativity, inspiration. It's so gorgeous down here. Can you tell me a little bit about this exhibit we're in right now?
This is really cool. So this is a quilting exhibit we have. It's by the coastal quilters, and the exhibit is called Saltwater Taffy. So you're gonna see a lot of really cool like pastels, kind of a candy theme going on down here, all different artists. It's super bright, super cheery for spring.
Yes.
We love it.
Yes, and what else can people expect when they come through down here?
So we also have an artist in our Spotlight Gallery. He does mosaic work. His name is William Camilio. They're more large scale mosaics, and they're airbrushed or painted. Really, really, really cool work, something different for us. Yes. So we were really excited about that exhibit as well this year.
And then it doesn't stop down here. When we carry upstairs, there's still more going on. So tell me a little bit about the Year of the Horse and the inspiration behind it.
So this is the Year of the Horse. So in our Studio E gallery, we have a really cool exhibit. It's two different artists, Lynn Yackelson and Joanne Guilfoyle. And we have kind of two different styles of horse portraiture up there. So Joanne's is more like racehorse portraiture, oil paints, a lot of prints. They're really, really incredible, very photorealistic. And then Lynn has more like smaller scale acrylics, and they remind me of the acetate and Chincoteague ponies. They're just so cute and so bright and cheery, and I just love them.
That is awesome. That's really incredible that you guys offer that here. And then what I also love that you guys offer is just something for all ages. So you also have something for the kids too, is that correct?
Yes, so the Art League is offering our own summer camps this year, in addition to the ones that the town has. We still have openings in summer camp. We have both theater and art camps coming up. So they'll start in June. It's gonna be really exciting. Pretty soon this place is gonna be like hustling and bustling with all kinds of kiddos. So we're looking forward to it.
Yes, and Frankie, what I'm actually looking forward to, we're gonna be getting our hands dirty a little bit as we talk about some other events that you have coming up.
Yes.
All right, well, let's get to it. Frankie, I'm so excited to really just be getting my hands dirty. You know, I've always wanted to do a pottery class here. I've been saying that forever. And walking us through it, we have Robbie here. Robbie, what's our first step? What should we really be doing right now?
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna wet the wheel heads. Go ahead, grab your sponge.
Okay.
Get it wet, wring it out. And then we're gonna start the wheel.
Okay.
From here, just wipe it, start at the center, and move out towards 3 o'clock on the wheel. Go nice and slow with your hand. There you go, just like that. Great. Grab a ball of clay, and we're gonna try to hit the bullseye on the wheel here. So right down the center. All right. Nice. That's great. As the wheel's spinning, just touch the ball of clay with your wet hands, and it's gonna start to build up a little layer of slip on your palms. Yep. And we're gonna take a heel of our palm, and we're gonna start to lean through our body, through our arm, into the palm of our hand, and try and press with the heel of your palm right here below your hand. There you go, right there, and just start to lean forward.
And you know, Frankie, I didn't even know this pottery studio was here. So can you tell me a little bit about this room that we're in?
It's kind of tucked back behind our Studio E gallery.
Yes.
But we have all kinds of pottery classes, from hand building to kids classes to adult classes and wheel. And we actually have a really cool event coming up.
Yes, Claypalooza. Tell me a little bit about that. What can people expect?
Claypalooza is the whole entire month of June.
Nice.
It's featuring the Clay Guild of the Eastern Shore. And on First Friday, we're gonna have all kinds of fun demos and activities for it. So I'm really excited. They're doing a Studio E takeover, artisan showcase. And we're just gonna have such amazing pieces all throughout the gallery.
That's my favorite part. Exciting. Oh my gosh. A lot for people to look forward to.
Oh yeah.
So apply more pressure, Kendall. Don't be afraid. It's all right, there you go.
Oh yeah. There we go. Ah.
Oh no.
You're fine, you're fine. Well, turn on.
Okay, okay. Whoops.
So you're not trapped into this. What you can do is start to lift back up and pull that.
Like that?
Well, Frankie, I'd say we did a pretty good job. Mine's a little not as symmetrical as yours. Mine has a little more character and personality.
That's okay. Mine doesn't know if it's a bowl or a plate, but it was fun.
Up for interpretation, you know? It's a good bowl for spaghetti, you know? Yes. But yes, Frankie, if people are interested in doing a clay class or any of the other upcoming events that you have right here at the Art League, where can they find you guys and check you out?
They can check us out anytime at ocart.org or give us a call Monday through Friday, 9 to 4, weekends 11 to 4.
Perfect. Well, Frankie, thank you so much for coming on and taking this class with me. It was
Thank you so much for having me. This was so much fun.
Yes, I had a great time. I appreciate it. CoastLife, you got to stop in here, check out everything that the Art League of Ocean City has to offer, or just take one of their events, because here you don't just see the art, you actually get to experience it too. But you can experience more CoastLife after this.